Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Tom here with another episode of Market Cap Investing, bringing you the power of long-term compounding with fractional shares at $5 a week. Getting caught up from being out of town for a few weeks and finally getting a chance to get in here and put $5 in the piggy bank of each of these stocks and watch them dollar cost average and watch them grow over time. We're going to buy more Boston Beer Company. That's Sam Adams. I know with inflation and with everything going on, I like to buy companies that are going to continue to have a brand that people trust and that people are going to rely on. So I'm not going to stop buying or drinking beer or Truly just because of inflation. I'm going to figure out a way to make sure that I get my IPAs in, and I'm going to make sure that I get my Trulies in. So I'm sure most of you are the same way. So I think this company has inflation resistant power. So Sam Adams, the Boston Beer Company. Let me take you over to Yahoo Finance and show you a little bit more about this company. So earnings are growing and revenue is growing, not as much as some of the other companies, but they definitely know how to pass earnings and revenue growth on to consumers. They don't suffer from inflation. They're inflation resistant. So back in 2018, they were a little under $1 billion. Now they're a little over $2 billion just 3 years later. So they've doubled in about 3 years. Earnings have somewhat kept up, $170 million in earnings. They had a rough year this last year. It looks like earnings are sliding a little bit. I'm seeing that in these charts here as well. But just overall, the revenue growth year over year is something I really like to see. And good companies will figure out a way to translate revenue into earnings over time. So this is one that's definitely going to translate revenue into earnings. And I think in 10 years, I'm going to be happy I bought Sam Adams Boston Beer Company at this price. I think it's a big discount compared to what we're going to see here over the next 10 years. Anyway, thanks for being patient with me while I was traveling, and thanks for letting me catch up here all in one day. Please like or subscribe and share this with a friend. Thanks.